Welcome to Horsetown, USA in Norco, California. Hi, I'm Heidi Bowser and you're going to love our newest listing on Ponderosa Lane. This home is located on a corner lot just under a ½ acre and it sits on a cul-de-sac street for added privacy. There's a lot of features that add value to this home that I want to share with you, so stick around to the end so I can show you how awesome this property is. Come on in and let's check it out. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with an office, and it is 1,650 square feet. You're going to love the dining room that has double doors that lead out to the outdoor barbecue. Let's head outside so I can show you some of my other favorite features. My first favorite feature is the PebbleTech saltwater pool and built-in barbecue area, which is great for entertaining and has plenty of seating throughout for all your guests. There's even a turf area for your pets. My second favorite feature is the RV parking, which has a double-door drive-through entrance and concrete driveway that extends all the way up to my third favorite, which is the workshop that can fit 2 additional cars and is large enough for all your projects and other toys. You're probably wondering what this outdoor space is. Well, it's a perfect home for your horses. There are tons of riding trails throughout the community, and they're all accessible from this 12-foot rolling gate. And if horses aren't your thing, you have plenty of room for an ADU or extra storage for all your toys. Ready to see more? Reach out to us and let's make this home yours.